mean, immediately, like, my heart dropped into my stomach, I've been assaulted and had to have an abortion, and it means a lot to me.
We recognize they're living distinct.
Two sides of the abortion argument rallying tonight after a leaked Supreme Court decision suggests justices may overturn Roe v. Wade. Now, Georgia medical professionals performed more than 31,000 legal abortions in 2020, and that number has gone down in the last 25 years. A little more than 24 hours ago, the bombshell Politico report broke, sharing details of that leaked opinion.
Here are three things you need to know new tonight. Just a couple of hours ago, this massive protest wrapped up at the Centennial Olympic Park in Atlanta. Hundreds of pro-choice supporters showed up as one of the largest demonstrations the city has ever seen since the summer of 2020. And Atlanta is not alone in this. You're looking at demonstrations from across the country tonight as people came together in Chicago, Philly, D.C., and Reno, Nevada. Many also had counter-protesters, those pro-life supporters showing up as well.
All new tonight, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court has ordered an investigation into that leak. Chief Justice John Roberts says that this is a singular and egregious breach of trust.
Also new tonight, Oklahoma's Republican governor has just signed a Texas-style abortion ban. It prohibits abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy, and it also allows private citizens to sue abortion providers and anyone helping a woman obtain an abortion. It is already challenged in court. We have special live team coverage covering all sides of this debate and how it could impact you. We start with John Schierick, who breaks down the future of Georgia's heartbeat law if Roe v. Wade is overturned. John?
It is possible the federal judges here on the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals could issue an order quickly and allow Georgia's tough abortion restrictions to go into effect right away once the Supreme Court approves it.
One possible timeline is this. If the Supreme Court rules next month to allow states to ban abortions, Georgia's tough abortion restrictions, which have been on hold in the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, could go into effect immediately. Georgia State University law professor Anthony Michael Kreis.
Now, I think you would see fairly rapidly, counting in a matter of hours and not days, before the federal courts would let Georgia enforce its anti-abortion laws. I think that's a foregone conclusion if that's what happens in the Supreme Court.
So far, Georgia has not been able to enforce its abortion law. It bans an abortion once the fetus has a heartbeat, which is often 6 weeks after conception. The ACLU of Georgia sued to stop the law, calling it unconstitutional. ACLU Georgia attorney Sean Young says, depending on the details of the Supreme Court ruling, he may try to ask the lower court to continue blocking Georgia's law.
The 11th Circuit Court of Appeals may give the parties an opportunity to submit briefs explaining how the Supreme Court's decision impacts our pending case on Georgia's abortion ban. If the 11th Circuit decides that the Supreme Court's ruling means that Georgia's abortion ban is constitutional, the 11th Circuit will issue that ruling, putting that into effect.
And if that happens, then what will the legislature do next?
Well, Georgia legislators want to ban every single kind of abortion possible in the state.
Georgia legislators are not commenting yet if they would try to pass a total abortion ban in Georgia.
And again, all of this depends on the Supreme Court's timing and ruling, but it could be that the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals could allow Georgia's fetal heartbeat ban bill, law now, to go into effect soon.